Find z when z is equal to x squared minus y squared over 2, and x is equal to 6, and y is equal to 4. So this is a bit more difficult substitution problem. What we've got to realise is that x squared actually means x times x, not 2x, it's x times times itself. So if we've got x is 6 and y is 4, we're going to get that z is going to be equal to 6 squared minus 4 squared over 2. And as you said, 6 squared is 6 times itself, so that will become 6 times 6 minus 4 times 4 over 2. You do multiplication before subtraction, so that's going to give you 6 times 6, which is 36, minus 4 times 4, which is 16, divided by 2. This line here acts as a bracket, so we need to do that first. So 36 minus 16 gives me 20 divided by 2. And then 20 divided by 2 gives me a final answer of 10. So this has been a video to show you how to do a harder substitution. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.